Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to edit name in Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to edit your name in Viber, first open up your Viber app on your phone. After opening your Viber app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there is a three-dotted icon with the more option available for us at the bottom right. Tap on the more button with the three-dotted icon, and you will be landed over here where you can see your profile information at the top of the screen. Now in order to edit your name in Viber, you can see the pen icon at the top right corner of the screen. First tap on that pen icon at the top right corner, and you will land over here where you can see your name is available at over here. Now in order to proceed to edit your name, you can just simply edit your name over here and enter whichever you like. And after that, tap on the tick mark on your keyboard at the bottom right. By this way, guys, the name will be changed on Viber. If you go back, you can see, guys, the name of our Viber account has been changed over here. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to edit your name in Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.